When it comes to health insurance, you may find yourself looking at many choices. There are different types of health insurance plans that meet different needs. One type of managed care plan is called an HMO, or Health Maintenance Organization Plan. An HMO provides comprehensive health care, often including prevention and wellness care, but restricts the health care providers and specialists you can see. When covered by an HMO, you may only visit specific in-network providers, usually within a particular geographic area. HMO plans generally will not cover care from out-of-network providers, except in an emergency. In exchange for more network restrictions, HMO plans often have lower monthly premiums and lower out-of-pocket costs. WPS is here to help. Visit our website to learn more or to contact our knowledgeable sales and customer support teams.